This is the latest INMOTION RS Pro. Today we'll walk you through all the updates that has been done on the RS Pro. This is the first 134 volt electric scooter in the market. Based on what I'm hearing, they will be including 2 steering dampers on the RS Pro. So they have used an increased length handlebar on the RS Pro. So as you can see, they have started using the 13-inch tires on the RS Pro. So there might be a change on the suspension used on the RS Pro. We will keep you updated once we hear more. So on this RS Pro, this will be the first scooter that comes with 3 steering dampers. So on the production version, there will be 2 steering dampers, 1 left and 1 right, and there's the built-in steering damper. So 3 steering dampers in total. This will be the first of its kind, triple steering dampers. As you can see, this is still a prototype version. I'm just telling you what I'm hearing from the factory. So we will be able to expect some of these things come to fruition during the production level. The controller voltage will be 108 voltage with a 30 amps output, but at its peak, it will be 126 volts maximum output per controller. So combined, we are looking at more than almost 300 volts of total output from the controller. Based on what INMOTION is telling me, right now tested top speed is 96 miles per hour. Each motor comes with 5 kilowatt of nominal wattage. Combined nominal wattage, we are looking at 10 kilowatt. What's the peak? Okay, so combined motor output on the RS Pro, we are looking at 20 kilowatt max output. That is the equivalent of almost an Altis Sigma right off the box. Or e-bike Pro 3.0. 20 kilowatt on the smaller wheels. It's going to be insane. Okay, the first batch is going to be extremely limited, so if you want to register your interest on the RS Pro, please let us know ASAP. They are not going to produce a lot. This is just going to be a small batch, so only a small group of owners will get to own the INMOTION RS Pro.